Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma hakakatwai terik yayong ula Pynbna baka Sorkar kalapan kerek ban shna ya iing ban riew ya riew tymmem kylleng ke Jylla halor kanong rim ba riew tymmem kin yo ya jinglong tymmem ka basmat basting bat ka bakemen ngadon ya jing angnut ban yo ba kumno nginla ban don ya kini ki center na kabenta riew tymmem bat kumno nginla ban ya trelang bat ki jakat rekam kumka Nabon Memorial Home naga benta ka jing mentoy jong ki riew tymmem bat ki nong shong shnong balarang ba ki jongi ong ukonrat hadin bala pli ya ka Nabon Memorial Home ka badai ka sinjam bala shim da ka jing sengken thai shillong rilum presbytery hamau yong rim shillong u Konrad ula ong bakani ka ying na ka benta ki riew tymmem ka bala ai kerteng haka kenthai ban ningkong ban long kristan hapedeng ka jai ben riew khasi ka dei ka badon jingmut shibun kapen pau omtang ya ka jing pediang ya ka jing long kristan henry ban im ya ka jing im kristan man la kasngi kapen pau ya ka jing kordor jong ka jing syakri bat ka jing kristan ya ki badon kam bat ka ni ka benta bakongsan jong ka niam kristan ka phalang haka kerteng bat ka ying ka bangilap li menta ulaong ula batai syuk-syuk baki Aganwadi Center kindon ya kebenta ka bakongsan ha ka jing pentrekam ya kini ki center ki Aganwadi Center ki long ki bakongsan na kebenta ka jing he jingsan jong ki khunlung bat ka dei kebenta ka bah khamat ha ka mission 1000 sngi kini ki Aganwadi kin long ki nong penbej na kebenta ki kam ki bay dei bat ki khenna bat ki riew tymmem ula benram Menteri Rangba ula ong ru ba ka jingya kenduk hapedeng ki kena bat ki riew tymmem kan wan ra ya ka jinglong jingman ka bakemen shibun ha ka imlang saklang ki kena rit kinang ban ya keren ya khana bat ki riew tymmem bat ban burom ya ki bat ki riew Rangba kin la ban hikai ya ki kena ya ki jinglong ba koridor jong ka jingim bat ban penia so bat ki ha ka jing snow ula ong haba penkut ya ke jing keran jong Menteri Rangba ula penpau ba ki jai ben riew lum bat ka imlang saklang barabor ki dei ki bari basumar ya ki riew tymmem bat benram henry namar ke jing kela jong ke juk ka jing longsor bat ki wei pat ki daw ngila yai lai na ka ni ke rukom bang Jylla bat kum ke jai ben riew ka imlang saklang bat ka balang bat ka Sorkar ngidon kam ban penbej ya ka ni ka kam ka Nabon Memorial Home ka thumu ban ajing kristan ya ki kinthei ki bala yaplok ki ba syai no ben lani ki bala du jingkermen bat ki ba im ha ki jing klem ki jakasa ki ba biang lani ka jing kristan ba kenjaman sim bat ya kani ka projek lalam khmat da ka jing seng kinthei shillong rilum presbytery Menteri Rangba ula Pynbna ya ka song jing rap pisa ba arpusan lak tingka na ka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund Shaka Nabon Memorial Home.
This is such an appropriate occasion to remember that because the name lives on, the legacy lives on. Today, naming this particular memorial home in the name of Ka Nabon is truly appropriate and truly meaningful. Being the first Christian among the Khasis reflects not just the acceptance of Christianity as a religion, but also living and making the way of Christian life to be part of your day-to-day life. I think that is what naming this after Ka Nabon as Nabon Memorial Home is, I think, where the meaning lies. Because for us as Christians, I'm not a reverend, not a pastor, not a father, so I'm not preaching. I'm just speaking from my heart. Is that I've always believed that we just should not be, of course, we need to pray, we need to attend service, but Christianity isn't part of our daily lives. And naming this memorial after Ka Nabon, as I said, is reflecting the values of Christianity, of service to people, of being kind to people who need support and who need help. And I think this basic aspect of Christianity is reflected not just in this building, but also in how you have decided to name this particular memorial home. You must have gone through or must have heard about the budget speech I gave this year, or rather last year, for this particular financial year. And I have announced a certain amount to be given for homes to be created for the elderly. At the same time, to be able to create what we call a happy aging center. This is a concept that is there all over the world. It's an active and a happy aging center is what they call. It's not just about a home where elders can rest, but how they can be active even at senior age.